Children, how are you? You're fine? Good. Now, in this class, we will study English grammar. Yes. So, before taking out, welcome to the online class of Monrisha School, and I am your English teacher. So, now we will study English grammar. Okay? Take it out, your book and your pencil. Take it out. Children, first you take it out your copy. All of you take it out your copy, because in previous class I have told that I will be giving you question answer of chapter 5, right? So you open a fresh page, you will write here date. Okay, now on the top of the page you will write chapter 5. Yes, and now you will begin writing the question number 1 in the first line. Okay, so write, children, how many kinds of nouns are there? Question mark. And then name them, full stop. Okay, written, children? Now answer you will write in the next line, that is, there are 5 kinds of nouns, full stop. There are 5 kinds of nouns. Now come to the next line, give point number 1. See, now first is common noun, then give full stop, write here ex. Ex means good. Example, yes. Give dash and write in common noun what example you can give. You can give teacher, comma, country, full stop. Now give point number 2 and write proper noun. Okay, see I have written in capital letter. Okay, yes. Now full stop, then again example you write, give dash and write Ramesh, comma, India. Yes. Okay, now point number 3, collective noun. Written collective noun, full stop, then example you write, then give dash, and in collective noun what example you can write? You can give herd, army, team. Okay, so we will give only 2 example, that is army, comma, team. Now point number 4 means the 4 kind of example is abstract noun, full stop. Example dash childhood, comma, joy, full stop. Childhood, comma, joy. Now the 5th kind of noun is material noun. Okay, full stop, then example you write brick. Brick means patthar. Yes, brick, comma, gold. This is a material noun. Okay, now children, I hope you have written this, and also your handwriting is good, very good. Okay, so now children, you will match this one. Okay, whatever you have written it, you will match it. For today we have done chapter 5 question answer, and your homework will be you will match it. Okay, so that there will be no mistake. And children, one more thing, that you know that I am your English teacher, right? So I talk to you in English. So children, you should also talk in English, right? Now the question is that how will you talk to me in English? How? Because I am taking our online class, right? So how will you know that you are talking? So one thing you can do, that you are staying at home, right, with your mom and dad, right, sisters, brother. So you talk to them in English, right? Suppose your mummy is cooking in the kitchen, so you ask her that, mama, what are you cooking today in the kitchen? Okay, and suppose your father is doing any work, okay, and you want to ask him anything, then you can say, papa, I want to play with you. Or you can say that, papa, please say what is this, if you want to ask your father anything. Okay, means the conclusion is that you talk in English at your home with a family, with your parents. Okay, because this will improve your English, and also you can, means you will be able to talk in a fluent way. Okay, so this also you try to do it. Okay, So thank you. Have a nice day.